Hey everyone! For today's vlog guys, mini vlog, pupunta tayo ng Bulwa kasi mamiyas na tayo guys. So ayun na, nakasakay na kami ng tricycle. Yan, video pa rin. So ito yung mga face namin habang papunta. And finally, nandito na kami sa place. And ayan yung auntie nyo guys, video pa rin. Kunyari, nahihiya. Tapos kinalaunan, ito na. Mga kumapal na medyo ang mukha guys. Ayan, nag-video na talaga kami. So yan kami guys, habang kumakain. Ito yung kinain namin guys, and sobrang sarap talaga, as in ang sarap, and 100 over 100 talaga guys. So yan na kami guys, pauwi na, video pa rin. Sumakay na kami ng minibus guys, pauwi. Life's balance lies in this: work with purpose but don't forget to play. Even Socrates said, beware the barrenness of a busy life. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!